Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Raquel Jeanette here. So in today's video, I decided to do this bold, like pumpkin spice kind of fall look. So I started off by doing my brows off camera. I'm now taking my Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer and I'm applying that to my lids as a primer and blending it out with my Beauty Blender. To set my lids, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way Etheral setting powder and my Beauty Blender and just blotting that out. For my transition shade, I'm taking Max Rule and I'm just applying that right, I guess, above my crease, slightly above my crease, using a medium fluffy brush. And I'm just going to pack in that color and just kind of intensify it just a little bit because I want this look to be slightly on the dramatic side. Next, taking a NYX shadow. This is an extreme apricot. I'm applying it to the inner and outer corners of my eyes using a fluffy angled brush. And I'm using an angled brush just because I wanted to create more of like a subtle wing effect. Next, taking the Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay, I'm using the shade Fuego, and I'm applying that to the inner and outer corners as well, and I'm just blending that out, and this is only to create more dimension and depth. Yeah, I didn't want too much of that shadow there. Now to further blend that out, I'm just taking the fluffy angled brush again and that NYX apricot shade, and I'm just going back over the inner and outer corners. Taking Max Rule one more time, I'm just taking a fluffy brush and blending out the crease to make sure everything is completely seamless. Next, taking NYX Glitter Primer, I'm just applying a small amount to the center of my eyelids and just blending it slightly upwards. Next, taking the Morphe 35R palette. This is the Ready Set Gold palette. I'm just taking that really bright, vibrant, kind of orangey gold shade, and I'm applying that with my fingers to the center of my lids. All right, back at it again with this NYX shadow. So I'm taking the extreme apricot shade and that fluffy angled brush one last time and just going over the inner and outer corners to just further blend everything back out. Okay, I'm just going to prep my lashes, so I'm taking the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, a classic, and I'm just applying a light layer to my very, very sparse lashes. And here's where my camera played me and overheated, you guys. I am so sorry I lost all the footage of me applying my foundation, concealer, as well as lashes and liner. So here I'm just setting the rest of my face using Maybelline's Fit Me Pressed Powder in Coconut. Using Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Deep, I'm now chiseling out my cheekbones using my EcoTools Beauty Sponge. Taking L'Oreal's True Match Pressed Setting Powder in the shade Cocoa and a medium fluffy brush, I'm just applying that everywhere I applied my cream contour. And now I'm taking my Beauty Blender just to blur the edges of that contour, and then I'm going to brush away that powder that I applied under my jawline. And I almost forgot to contour my nose, so this is me doing that here. Here, I'm just taking my beauty blender and that excess powder that was on the sides of my nose and blending it into my contour. Taking MAC's Raizin blush, I'm just applying the smallest amount to my cheekbones and blending it out. I really did not want to overdo it with the blush today. And then I'm just going to take a dual fiber brush, and it has no product on it. I'm just blending out the edges of my eyeshadow. Okay, so I've been obsessed with this highlight for some time now. This is the Anastasia Amrezy Highlight, and I'm applying this to all the high points of my face. Okay, so I lied. I'm not done with this NYX shadow yet. So I'm taking that extreme apricot shade on a flat brush and applying it to my lower lash line. And I really think this helped pull the entire look together. Next for lips, I'm taking my tried and true Ride or Die NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Espresso and lightly lining my lips. Well, not lightly, but you know. To finish off my lips, I'm taking NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline, and I'm just applying that to the center of my lips and blending it out. And to finish everything off, I'm using Too Faced HangoveRx setting spray, and we are done, you guys. This is the final look. It was very easy to pull off, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I was just really inspired by the fall season and the colors and the leaves, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know what else you'd like to see from me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you.